person open until
Harap.
ganito lang pala yun. Kala kong laki-laki.
So it's been almost 3 days since we got here. So nasa Canada na pala ako ulit. This is our 3rd day. And for the past 2 days, since bagong house to, lumipat kami. Since bagong house na to, and before malis sila ate, kakalipat lang nila. Magulo pa yung bahay, di pa nakapag-unpack masyado. So, yun yung ginawa namin the first 2 days namin dito sa bahay. Unti-unti kaming mag-unpack and organize ng bahay. And for today, lalabas kami ni ate to do grocery and to run some errands. Good morning! Naririnig niyo ba yung tunog sa background? Hininaan ko na. Anyway, today is April 9. It's a Wednesday. Malis sila ate. Nasa downtown sila. Baka mamaya sumunod ako. Kasi may mga kailangan akong bilhin. But for now, kakain muna ako tsaka maglalaba. Ito ang aking ulam. It's niganggang na salmon. Tapos, gagawa ako ng Okay, we're ready to go. Punta tayo sa downtown. Pero may dadaanan muna akong store along the way. Pwede na tayo mag-start. Okay, side mirror. Lights, locks, display seat. Asan yung side mirror? Ay! Na-fold ko. Unfold. Mirrors. Yarn! Okay. Okay, okay yun. Save. Okay, tara na. Punta tayong Dollarama. I-add stop na lang natin. Ace Hotel. Ay, ba't ko sinasabi sa inyo? Is it along the way? No. Ngayon na lang ulit ako guys magde-drive dito sa Canada. Without someone with me. Without someone with me. Tingnan natin kung makarating tayo sa paroroon. Okay. Punta muna tayo ng Dollarama before tayo magpa-downtown. Downtown na tayo. Papunta na ako sa hotel nila ate. Kung saan sila nagsistay. Good morning! Naglalakad-lakad muna ako outside the hotel before going home. Pampalamig. So, umikot ako from Camden. Tapos, nag-Richmond, Spadina. Tapos,
Malapit na ako ulit sa Camden. Okay. Uwi na tayo. Okay, we're moving. Ever happens. Nothing good ever happens after.
Lay deep in the passenger seat. Two weeks of your long bus lead to a house in Long Beach.
I'm home! Kinakain ko yung tira kong dinner from last night. 11:15. I got here 11 a.m. Late breakfast. Okay, fresh like doggy. Ang oras natin ay 1:30 p.m. Di pa ako gutom, so di pa ako mag-lunch muna. Ayusin ko lang din konti yung iba dito sa sala. Hindi ko sila papakailaman. Itatamang ano ko lang, organize. And then, may gagawin ako sa taas ulit. Yun guys, I think I'll end the vlog here. Wala naman kasi masyado nangyari. So, from kahapon, lumabas ako ng hapon. Pumunta ako downtown kasi nandun sila ate. Tapos, nag-overnight din ako dun. Kaya, kanina lang ako nakauwi. Madami pa. May mga kalat. Ayan, mga box. Sa taas, meron din marami. Naligo muna ako kasi parang ang dami ng dumi ng katawan ko. Hindi ko na kaya. Ayun lang. I'll catch you on the next one, guys. I hope mas maraming nangyayari sa next vlog. But until then, stay safe. Hydrate, drink lots of water, and wear sunscreen.
Removing the company ID. Right?
Na lumalabas.
Remove that as well. And
No.
add the journal entry. to the
Chin?
target.
Dito, chin dito.
Journal entries here.
Pwede ba to?
Ay, hindi siya pwede ng avocado.
Ng avocado. Hindi ka open. How about egg? Kaso may pepper.
Egg. Ate. Maliit lang din.
Count
Tama. Yun lang kasi nasa taas, babe.
Just add it. Just add it. Remove the group 5. Yeah. Last 7.
Kandila. Gutom na gutom. Babe, basa pa.
Nope.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Having them properly stored and ready in your kitchen will save a lot of time and resources because they're concentrated
May mota.
The most or the slowest amount. It's too fast or you have other questions along the way. Interrupt.
that are single purpose. The beauty of Asian condiments is that it's so varied. The results
May sniper tayo. May sniper eyes. Boy. Boy. Mm-mm.